Hi students, now we going to discuss about chapter 7 fractions. In that chapter, what about fraction? Fraction means a part of a whole thing. Here, one circle is there. Here, part represent as a fraction. Here, see how many one full circle is there. It divide into how many parts? Two parts are there. So, parts of a whole thing we call it as a fraction. Definition for fraction is a part of a whole thing. So here how to represent a fraction wise. So here how many parts are there? It divide into how many parts? Two parts. In that two parts, one part I shading there. Then how to represent as in the fraction form means out of two, one part I divide into one part I coloring there. That is the meaning. Here see, here this line top part represent as a numerator, and the bottom part, this line bottom part represent as a denominator. That is the meaning. Line top part represent as a numerator. This division line down below part represent as a denominator. So fraction means a fraction is a part of a whole thing. We can represent as a in this way. Then line top part represent numerator, line down part represent a denominator part. The next one here, see exercise 7.1. In 7.1 exercise, here first part they telling here tells about in this diagram, full diagram, it divide into some part and some parts are shaded. How to say that? Here total it divide into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. In that 4 parts, how many are shaded? Shading there, 2 parts are given there. That's why how we can represent as a fractional part, shading part, that is 2. Divided by total, it divided into how many parts? 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there. One more question. Here see another diagram. In this diagram, it dividing like this. In this way dividing, and all box divide into how many boxes? See, it divide into one rectangle shape. It divide into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It divide into 9 boxes. In that 9 box, one box not shaded there. So here question is how many parts are shaded there? How many parts are shading there? Total part number of part is 9. Out of 9, 8 parts are shading. So how to represent as a fractional part? Here shaded part divided by total number of parts. We read this number as 8 by 9. One more question. Here in this way they given there. In this way we dividing. In this way it dividing the and they are divided into like this 1, 2. In this way it dividing and like this. Some parts are shading. This part is fully shaded. This part is fully shaded, and here middle or. So here how to write this diagram as in form of a fraction? It divide into how many parts? Total number of parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes are there. Out of 7, how many are coloring there or shading there? 3. So we can represent as a 3 boxes are colored or shaded. Out of then how total it divide into how many boxes? 7 box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of 7 boxes, 3 boxes are coloring. So coloring part write in numerator, and total part we represent as in the denominator. This form we call it as a fractional form. In this way, this type of questions are there in the first exercise, first Roman question. The next one is Second Roman they given a fractions and they ask to shading the basis of that fraction diagrams shaded there. That is the meaning. Here see first second Roman they telling that here one diagram also they given one circle is given there. It divided into like this way. It dividing there. Divided the fraction given as 1 by 6. What they ask is shading there. So 1 by 6 represent as what here what they saying that to divide into how many parts 6. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will divide into how many parts? 6 parts are there. So we can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 5, 6 in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Out of 6, what they saying that one part we want to shading. So how to shade the numerator part represent as 1. That means in this 6 box, one box we want to shade. Any one box. So one box we can shade it there. That one represent as 1 by 6. 1 by 6 part means they divide into 6 part. Out of 6 one box we want to shade. Then next 1 by 4. 1 by 4 next diagram is given like that. 1 by 4 part shade like that way they ask the question. So see here in this diagram it divide into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. That is the total number of parts are given in denominator, and in numerator part what they asking numerator they says that in that 4 box one box we want to shade. Anyone you can shade. So I shaded anyone. So it will represent like this. Another question 3 by 4 shaded 3 by 4 parts. So means here diagram is given as like this way. Diagram is in this way they given. And here like this. Here it divide into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of parts is given as in denominator. Denominator means line down part, below part represent as denominator, line above part represent as in numerator. How many parts they ask to coloring? 3 parts. Out of 4, 3 parts we want to color like this. 3 parts we want to coloring. That is the meaning of this question. I hope you can understand that one. The next question they tells that another third question. So this type of different some more questions are there in the textbook. This same model. Then next second Roman, third Roman. In third Roman they tells that here what fraction of a day is 8 hours. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? They asking. We know that one day containing how many hours? One day containing 24 hours are there. Then how we can represent that total hours? In which way we want to write 8 hours are represent. That means in how to do fractional way, how we can represent in fractional form total number of hours is that one we mark it on the denominator 24. Here numerator part how many hours we want to mark they mentioned about 8 hours. So 8 by 24. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? So we can write it as 8 by 24. Then this is the third question. First one A question. Next B question. Here fourth question they is asking that what fraction of a day is 40 minutes. Of a day is 40 minutes. How to represent us? We know that 1 minute means 1 hour containing how many minutes are there? Here what fraction of a day is 40 minutes are given the what fraction of a 1 minute containing 1 minute containing how many question is what fraction of an hour is for not a what fraction of a day. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes. We know that 1 hour containing how many minutes are there? 1 hour containing how many minutes? 60 minutes are there. 60 minutes are there. That's why here a fraction way how we can represent this one. Total minute is 60. That here they given total minute given as 60. How much minute they asking there? 40 minutes case they asking. That's why here total part we write as in the denominator. What they asking, that one write on the numerator. So we can express as in form of a fraction as a 40 by 60. So remember the question is what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes, not what fraction of a day. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes. We know 1 hour containing 60 minutes and how to represent as in fraction, total fraction write as in this line below, that is 60, denominator part 60 right, numerator part we represent as 40. The next question regarding about fifth question, write the natural numbers. Write the natural numbers between from 2 to 12. Fifth question, this says about write the natural numbers. Write down 2 to 12 natural numbers are writing. Fifth question. 2 to 12 natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then they are asking a writing after. Check out what fraction of them are prime numbers. What fraction of them are prime numbers? That is the question. Fractional way write down. So prime numbers, last class we learned what are the prime numbers. Numbers having only 2 factors, one and the same number itself. Such numbers we call it as prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. They are the fraction in this natural number case, which are the prime numbers. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number. So fractional way how we can represent them. Total how many numbers are there in this pattern? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers are written there. So total numbers write on the denominator part, and how many are prime numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are prime numbers. So 5 write on the numerator part. Number of prime numbers mark it on the numerator, and the total natural numbers between 2 to 12 we write on the denominator. That is the meaning of this fifth question. Next, sixth question also like that. Write the natural numbers between 102 to 113. Write them as the fraction, and their prime numbers write down. Between that numbers, what are the prime numbers? Then how many prime numbers are there? They are write as the fractional form. So what are the natural numbers between 102 and 130? So we can have 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, then 112 and 113. Then question asked here, find out which are the prime numbers. Prime numbers means numbers having only two factors, one and the same number itself. Here which are the numbers not possible to divide it with any numbers, only one and the same number itself. itself such type numbers sort out. They ask which are they. 103 has a 2 factor only, 1 and 103. Any other multiplication table use and try to divide it is exactly not possible to divide. That's why 103 is a prime number. Next 107 is a prime number. Next 109 is a prime number. Next 113 also a prime number. So what are the prime? Here 102 means it is possible to divide with the 2. Why? Because 2 is an even number. Even number, that's why 102 is possible to divide it with 2. So 102 have more than 2 factors. So it is not a prime number, it is a composite. What about 104? Unit place is 4 there. That's why 4 is an even number, it is possible to divide it with 2. So 104 have more than 2 factors. 105 unit place is 5. That's why that 105 is possible to divide it with 5. So that's why 105 is not a prime number, it is a composite. 106 case, 6 is an even number. That's why it is possible to divide it with 2 also. That's why more than 2 factors coming. More than 2 factors getting us, that numbers is not a prime number, they are a composite tool. Then 108 unit place 8. That's why it is possible to divide it with which number 2. So it having more than 2. Other numbers also possible. We want to check, but here now I just telling that 110 unit place is 0. 0 means even number. That's why it is possible to divide it with 2 also. So more than 2 factors it will get in. Then 111 also like that, it is possible to divide it, dividing there. Divided with which number? 3. Divisibility test of 3 says that add the given number, then check it, that answer is multiple of 3. Yes, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. 3 is a multiple of 3. That's why 111 is possible to divide it with 3. So it having more than 2 factor. 112 case also like that, unit place is 2. It is possible to divide it with 2. That's why it having a more than 2 factor. But 113 is not a composite number. Here 2 unit place is 3. That's why 2 not possible. Then 3 means 1 plus 1 and 2. 2 plus 3 comes to 5. 5 is not a prime number, not a multiple of 3. That's why it is not possible to divide it with 3. 5 prime number 5 using time also not possible like this. It is not possible. That's why we can say 113 is a prime number only. So we can say that it is not possible to divide it with the other number. So how many prime numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 prime numbers are there. Total how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 numbers are there. How to represent as in a fractional form? Denominator to write as the total number. Total how many numbers are there? 12 are there. Then how many are the prime numbers? 4 are the prime numbers. So we can write it as 4 by 12 as the answer. Number of prime number denoted in the numerator and total number represented on the denominator. That is the procedure. Next, one more question. 7th question. In 7th question also, they asking here one diagram is given. One circle diagram they given there. 7th question. One circle diagram is given there. In this way 1, 2, 3, 4. Down also 1, 2, 3, 4. Then down part the circle is closed. The question asking what fraction of circle are x sign. What fraction of circle have this x sign? How many circle have x sign? 4 circle have x sign. But how many circles are there? Total number of circle is 8 are there. In that 8, 4 having a x sign. So how we can write as in fraction form? Fraction we can represent as a total number of circle is 8. That one write on the denominator of that line, and numerator part how many circle have x sign? 4 circle have x sign. That is the, that's why we can write it as 4 by 8. 4 by 8 or 4 upon 8. 4 by 8 is the 4 by 8 is the we can read a fraction as 4 by 8. Then next one more question. These are the related to this chapter's question. One more question we can say. Okay, these are the related.